The hidden power of your bank account and how to use it. Most people think their bank account is just a place to store money. But what if I told you it's actually a powerful tool that can either make you richer or quietly keep you poor? Your money is working 24/7. The question is, who is it working for? You or your bank? Today, we'll reveal the hidden power inside your bank account and how to use it to build wealth instead of wasting it. Section 1. The bank's game. When you deposit money in your account, the bank doesn't just let it sit. They use it to lend, invest, and multiply. In fact, for every $1 you deposit, banks can lend up to $9. That means your hard-earned savings become the fuel for their profits. They collect interest, earn returns, and keep growing, while you get a few cents in savings interest each month. The truth? Your bank account is their business model. You're the supplier, and they're the investor. Section 2. Why the rich don't park money in banks. 150. Have you ever wondered why wealthy people don't keep millions in checking accounts? Because they understand one thing: money loses value when it sits still. Inflation quietly eats away at your purchasing power every single year. That's why the rich use banks as tools, not storage boxes. They move money into investments, stocks, businesses, real estate, even high-yield accounts, where their money keeps working for them. While most people save to feel safe, the wealthy invest to stay free. Section 3. Unlocking your account's hidden power. 310 The secret. Now here's the secret. Your bank account can actually build wealth if you learn to use it right. Step 1. Automate your savings. Set a percentage of every paycheck to go directly into investment accounts or index funds. Step 2. Use high-yield accounts or money market funds. These earn you 10x more than a traditional savings account without much risk. Step 3. Leverage cash flow. Banks make money from your deposits, so flip the game. Use credit wisely to buy assets that bring in income, not liabilities that drain it. Your account can be your command center, where money flows in, multiplies, and moves toward your goals. Section 4. Think like a banker. Here's what banks do that you can too. They don't let money sleep. They make it move. They use systems that multiply every dollar. When you adopt the same mindset, when every dollar in your account has a job, that's when your financial life changes. Your goal isn't just to save money. It's to circulate it intelligently so it comes back with friends. Your bank account isn't weak. It's just underused. It's not about how much money you make. It's about how well you move it. The system already knows how to use your money. It's time you learn to do the same. If this opened your eyes, subscribe for more insights like this. Because financial power starts with financial understanding. Would you like me to now generate a thumbnail for this title in the same visual style as the last one? Bold text, banker imagery, money and glowing effects.